Hi all, welcome to BIAS Academy, Science and Technology audio notes for prelims and mains, Unit 1, Part 2, Chapter 3, that is we'll discuss the Internet of Things and blockchain technology. Under Internet of Things, you're going to see what is it and what is the impact of Internet of Things on India. Next, we'll move to blockchain technology. We'll understand what is it and then see the uses of blockchain technology. So let's start with our topic. So what is Internet of Things? We all know what Internet is, and things are different objects: a phone, a laptop, a computer, or a computational device could be a thing. So the Internet of Things is a network of a variety of electronic devices, sensors, control systems that are connected via Internet. For example, your phone, your office laptop or office desktop, and your PC at home all are connected. Then it is Internet of Things via Internet. So it is the concept of connecting any device to the Internet and to other connected devices. Internet of Things is expected to create $2.7 to $6.2 trillion of economic impact globally. That is 6.2 trillion of economic impact globally by 2025. So we all have seen in our economic surveys that India is aspiring for 5 trillion economy by 2024. So you can understand by correlating this, IoT can generate around 6.2 trillion of economic impact globally. Okay, this impact is likely to be created by leveraging Internet of Things to do business through a novel forms of customer interaction, following new business models which are centered on assets and information, dynamic pricing, and by enhancing and optimizing operations through better efficiency, quality, and safety. In India, Internet of Things could help in different ways to overcome many of its unique challenges, as India is faced with many challenges coming to health, fiscal, communication, and many other challenges. Important area, and we are short of resources as well. So important areas of impact include smart meters that reduce energy bills, power theft prevention applications, use of smart pills, Medicare wearables, mobile health, remote diagnostic applications. Other applications could include smart farm loans based on real-time farm conditions, smart cameras to reduce crime, enable faster emergency response times, and remote medical services via teleconsultation. The successful implementation of Internet of Things solution covers hardware, software, and network components. To able to craft business solutions enabled by IoT, enterprises and providers will need to change the business models. Companies will need to rely more on services, revenues, and make greater investment in offering value-added services like utility companies offering smart meters or car makers offering remote maintenance applications. IoT applications are more likely to be delivered via service enterprises. We'll also need to deploy advanced analytic solutions to analyze the vast amount of customer data, redefining the meaning of customer relationship management. A new set of utilities will also emerge to offer horizontal solutions across IoT. So let's recap what we have discussed. We started with what is Internet of Things. It's a network of variety of electronic devices like sensors, control systems that are connected via Internet. So how much economic impact it's going to create? From 2.7 to 6.2 trillion dollars by 2025. So it can help in various different ways to overcome many of our Indian challenges. That is, it can develop smart meters that reduce energy bills, curtail power theft, use of smart pills, and in medicine, Medicare wearables, mobile health, remote diagnostic applications. It could be used for smart farm loans based on real-time farm conditions or in precision farming, smart cameras to reduce crime, enables faster emergency response times by government and other private service providers, remote medical services via telecommunication or teleconsultation. So Internet of Things has a wide array of applications where which can when it can step in. Okay, now let's go to blockchain technology. What is blockchain technology? Block and chain are the keyword. It's an incorruptible digital ledger of economic transactions that can be programmed to record not just financial transactions but virtually everything of value. I'll repeat. Blockchain is an incorruptible digital ledger. You know what ledger is? Where we write your accounts. Maybe account students might understand. It is an incorruptible digital ledger of, or what will have? It will have transactions. What transactions? Economic transactions that can be programmed to record every transaction, not only financial, virtually everything of value can be recorded. The economic transactions in a digital ledger is called blockchain. Okay, the blockchain is a great invention and is the brainchild of a person or a group of people known as, we don't know it's an individual person or a group. They have a pseudonym, Satoshi Nakamoto. I'll spell it for you. SATOSHINAKAMOTO. This was invented by him or them or her, Satoshi Nakamoto. What does it allow? The blockchain technology. It allows digital information to be distributed but not copied, and created the backbone of a new type of internet. It was originally devised for digital currency like Bitcoin, but you might have heard or known about Bitcoin, right? But the world is now finding other potential uses of the technology. The information held on blockchain exists as a shared and a continuously reconcilable database. How does this exist? It exists as a shared and a continuously reconciled database. The blockchain database is not stored in any single location, and the records it keeps are in complete public domain. Hence, it is easily verifiable. There exists no centralized version of this information, hence any hacker cannot corrupt it. The data on the blockchain is hosted by millions of computers simultaneously and is accessible to anyone on the internet. It is a democratic setup mostly. The major use of blockchains is the creation of a distributed ledger for cryptocurrencies, mostly Bitcoin. Blockchain technologies can be used to create permanent, public, transparent ledger system for compiling data on sales, tracking digital use, and payments to content creators such as wireless users or musicians. In 2017, IBM has partnered with ASCAP and PRS for music to adopt blockchain technology in music distribution. Okay, let's recap what we have seen. We have started with what is blockchain technology. It is an incorruptible digital ledger of economic transactions that can be programmed to record not just financial transactions but virtually everything of value. It's an invention by Satoshi Nakamoto. It allows digital information to be distributed but not copied, and created the backbone of a new type of internet. It was originally devised for digital currency, mostly Bitcoin, but the world is now finding other potential uses of the technology as well. It keeps the records in completely public domain. Information held on blockchain exists as a shared and continuously reconciled database. It is not stored in any single location. The records it keeps are in completely public domain, as we said. So it is easily verifiable. There is no centralized version of information, hence the hacker cannot corrupt it. The data on blockchain is hosted by millions of computers simultaneously and is accessible to anyone on the internet. Okay, let's recap what we have seen. We have started with Internet of Things. What is Internet of Things? It is a variety of electronic devices like sensors, controls which are connected via internet to offer a service. So what's the impact of it? It's going to generate $2.7 to $6.2 trillion by 2025. Where is it applicable and how does it help or impact India? Creating smart meters, reducing the energy bills, prevention of power thefts, application of smart pills are used in medical wear, mobile health, remote diagnostic applications, or it could help a farmers by providing smart loans based on real-time farm applications, smart cameras to reduce crime, and it also enable faster emergency response times. It covers a wide variety of hardware, software, and network components. And then we have seen blockchain technology and its uses. Blockchain is an incorruptible digital leader of economic transactions that can be programmed, and it records not just financial transactions but virtually everything of value. It's a brainchild of Satoshi Nakamoto. It allows digital information to be distributed but not copied. Hence, it has created a backbone of a new type of internet. It was originally created for digital currency Bitcoin, but now it has other potential uses as well. The information held on blockchain exists as shared and continuously reconciled database. It is not stored in any single location. The records it keeps are in completely public domain, hence easily verifiable. There exists no centralized version of this information, hence any hacker cannot corrupt it. Brilliant. Thank you for listening. We will end our class.